Meet Nudura's PreCut Program, the smart solution for smooth and efficient ICF building processes. It all starts with your building plan. Provide your construction drawings to Nudura's expert team, and we'll take it from there. Next, we create a detailed 3D model of your project with all Nudura insulated concrete forms perfectly mapped out. Once the design is complete, we pre-cut each Nudura form to the exact specifications of your plan and label them for effortless identification. The labeled forms are then packaged and shipped directly to your location, making sure everything you need arrives on time and ready to go. On site, the pre-cut forms make assembly a breeze. Just follow the labels and you'll see your project come to life with minimal effort. And just like that, your project is completed, on time, on budget, and with less waste. Discover how Nudura's PreCut program can streamline your next project. Visit our website or contact your local Nudura sales representative for more information.